Dear children, today we will learn 50 birds' name in English. So let's start. Parrot, parrot. Crow, crow. Sparrow, sparrow. Pigeon, pigeon. Peacock, peacock. Eagle, eagle. Owl, owl. Falcon, falcon. Dove, dove. Woodpecker, woodpecker. Kingfisher, kingfisher. Robin, robin. Flamingo, flamingo. Hummingbird, hummingbird. Swallow, swallow. Ostrich, ostrich. Hawk, hawk. Heron, heron. Crane, crane. Seagull, seagull. Pelican, pelican. Straw, straw. Swan, swan. Turkey, turkey. Quail, quail. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Finch, finch. Kite bird, kite bird. Cockatoo, cockatoo. Vulture, vulture. Macaw, macaw. Albatross, albatross. Nightingale, nightingale. Blue jay, blue jay. Blackbird, blackbird. Strolling bird, strolling bird. Magpie bird, magpie bird. Canary bird, canary bird. Mayana bird, mayana bird. Hornbill bird, hornbill bird. Lark bird, lark bird. Wren, wren. Titmouse, titmouse. Sandpiper, sandpiper. Puffin, puffin. Hen, hen. Duck, duck. Like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.